How to find your favorites on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your favorites on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open our TikTok application, let us first go to the App Store and make sure that our TikTok app is up to date. So just click on the search bar and search on TikTok. Click on that, and if it says update right here, please make sure to update your app so that we will have the same user interface. And this is important because this is to make sure that the buttons are on the same part of the screen. So assuming that I am now done updating my TikTok application, let's just head on and open our TikTok app, and you might be welcomed with the For You page. So from the For You page, you can basically save any video or add any video to your favorites just by pressing and holding it and click on Add to Favorites. So that is now added to your favorites. So where can you find your favorites? So from the For You page, click on this button that says Profile right here to go to your profile page. And from here, you can see many options. And here you have 4 particular buttons right here. So let's just click on the third one right here. So this is how you can basically find your favorites on TikTok. So you can scroll through these and also organize them into collections. So through this feature, TikTok users can bookmark videos right on the For You page and organize them into collections. So this is really helpful if you want to organize by category you want or any other organization you like to do on your saved TikTok videos or to the TikTok videos you added to your favorites. And that is how you can find your favorites on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.